later.
No, let me just pay for it.
School better. My friend, hello, come here. Look at what your mate is doing.
What?
She's the one paying for everything. Whatever they have enjoyed now, she's the one that will pay.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Wait, let me ask her. Wait, so auntie, did you pay for this bill?
She paid. I will pay for your accommodation. I will pay for your house rent. I will pay for your welfare. I will pay for your alawi. I will pay for everything.
It's no big deal. I wash your clothes. I cook for you. I even lay your bed. And so?
And I will still pay for your bride price also.
Yes, you're supposed to pay for my bride. I'm meant to pay for
Excuse me. You should know that it is over by now.
Over? Why?
It is over.
Call. Young man, calm down.
My friend, I'm talking. Don't cut me.
Your noise is disturbing us and we are working on something.
My friend, and I'm also working on her too.
Now listen carefully. What you are saying here is not real. We are shooting a movie, alright?
Blood of Habakkuk.
Wait, you mean she paying the bills and everything is a movie?
We do things in a tactical manner, alright?
Baby, what I was saying is not real too.
So you can take a discussion outside so that we can continue what we're doing.
Scope it.
Excuse me.
Baby,
Get paying for your bill. It's not possible. You should know.
baby, life is a movie. I'm acting with them, please.
Let's take this in again. Cameraman, get set. Character, are you ready? Okay, let's go.